Boom. DJ Dreadbeard.
So Chris Brown give us his favorite 10 songs off his album. Third spot, Fuck and Party. Chris Brown featuring Vybz Kartel. That song is doing so well. It's gaining a lot of traction. And you see, if Chris Brown never loved that song, it wouldn't even in a third spot. The song they are gonna cause a lot of damage. Trust me upon that.
Once I'm playing with that bass like a guitar. When you listen, something missing. Remember when we the L shop with no money for breakfast.
Hey, yo, people, the dog got Spanish guitar. It remind me of Maria, Maria. You see me? With the Spanish guitar, bro. Yo, you see the album where Vybz Kartel about for drop? Whole heap of diverse song upon it. You see them song where I drop round the album, and the song them with upon other people album like Chris Brown album and the Drake album where soon drop. You see the song them with depend them on the album plus the song them with Vybz Kartel a drop. You already know so the album, yeah, it will create whole heap of damage, whole heap of diverse rhythms. You probably get Afrobeat, reggaeton, amapiano. Vybz Kartel is a musical genius and I just some bad mind Jamaican. I try a thing, you see me? But whatever I try, it futile. Yeah, because I guess I understand. So everything I do, it futile. Every day when I get up and eat, the comments them, the eat vlogs them futile. Go and look up the word. Yeah man, so Chris Brown, name him top 10 song, and him and Vybz Kartel song they're number 3. So all of the people when I said them not like the song, I want a Chris Brown top song, and that is why you see it the number 1. You know how much time the song are there in the top 10 and now it reach a number 1. So who cares if some little bad mind haters don't like the song? The world love the song. If it only they are number 1. Now number 7 the song did peak, man. The first time the song touched the chart, I hit the first one out of all of the song hit the top 10, you know. U.S R&B chart, you know. Debut at number 7, you know. You see me?
Alright, so I will get this straight before you get out of proportion. Because I see somebody in the comments says it's sick enough. First of all, I am Speed team reach out and say them want be maybe the one way walk with Speed downtown.
And Bad Sikki expose Yaksta. Well, him expose Yaksta indirectly. I really me spot it out, you see me? Everybody where watch him, them not really spot it. But I me spot it out, say him expose Yaksta indirectly. And that's something when me know. Bad Sikki say something when me say 2 weeks ago. So I confirm, sealer. We are going to feature that in the vlog. And the one here is a quick and fast one. I going to challenge myself to really go quick and fast this time. Because I just a little update, you see me? Yeah, but if you're new to the channel, subscribe, like the video. If you want to support the channel, you can drop a super thanks in the comment section. If you don't know if you drop a super thanks or if you hype up the video, see the instruction there run across the screen. But people don't go away, I soon forward.
DJ Dreadbeard. Subscribe now.
Anything, hey, check bodyguard, you think it's easy? We are ramping. You want it?
World boss. Dog name World Boss for a reason here. Remember a couple weeks ago my vlog say the man have one weed shop with Vybz Kartel face in a Japan, man. Rural Japan, man, not talking at the city. When you hear me talk them something, I prove them, you know. The influence and the impact, you know, reach far and wide, you know, cross over borders and seas, you know, and mountains, you know. Yeah, man, it won't get too far, man. Continue. Boss of the G local and a base market. Don't continue. And say, you like this song and say, the world love the song, that's why the song the number 1.
The song they are going to cause a lot of damage. Trust me upon that. Chris Brown featuring Vybz Kartel, Fuck and Party. Trust me. It a mad the haters them. It a drive the haters them insane. Me tell you say I be a fuck with the haters them. I say, me a grown man we having platform on YouTube say Vybz Kartel should say bumbo clot in the song. And me I say, yo, wanna try find so much fuck if you say because it's not fun artist. Get the collab. Me hear a next grown man I say the song now go get no traction because Chris Brown get a Jamaican girl pregnant.
Yo, the brother are corrupt, you know. Somebody really said that, dog. Yo, somebody really said that, my youth. Yo, Gaza HQ, if you watch this, send me that. I want to hear the person that said that, bro. Continue, yeah, man. Cause man, them not have nothing for chat say at daytime, you know.
And all I'm female fans them vex because of that. So the song now get no traction. I mean, I feel like I be a fuck with them chat, you know. And total, you know who chatting most fuck with them? The crux them. I swear to God, the crux them. Fuck and party doing so well.
Remember when we the L shop with no money for breakfast. My mother said she want this left that.
You ever wonder why Vybz Kartel call the first song him drop off of the album Panic? The song now have nothing to do with panic, you know. Them a talk about outside and inside and pretty girl and sitting. I don't know how panic reaching out now. Something I miss. Yeah, but him just leave that out. They make everybody a panic. You see how long panic drop? That is how long them a panic for. Them not panic for a shot. Hey, I want worst thing when somebody a torture you, you know. Every day you just get up on a chat, beer madness, you know. A panic or not panic, you know. Code, the man put a code in the song there, you know. Me say the song now have nothing to do with panic. Oh, the song name Panic. You see me? I just torture, I'm not torture on man. Make no panic. Every day you just get up on a panic. Why go up on the album? How the album I go sound? You already have an idea the type of songs them we are gonna get off of the album. Just by them songs that we Vybz Kartel drop around the album. Yo, Vybz just happy to be free, bro. They are road and I enjoy money. Him hard earn money when him work for. They are road and I enjoy money. Him family, him friends, them they with me victory. You see me? Him woman and him pitney. All wanna talk a daytime and a diss him a daytime. That no fears him, you know. There's nothing we can say. We can't fears any one of the man them. Madsus, Cairo, Sean Storm, Vybz Kartel. Nothing we can say we can't fears the man them. A life the man them a come off a year. Yeah, I enjoy you see the dog. I enjoy himself right there so. That is a free Vybz Kartel. Vybz Kartel name action none at all. If him never go to prison, bro. Freedom you call that, here?
Alright, so I will get this straight before you get out of proportion. Because I see somebody in the comments says sick enough. First of all, I am Speed team reach out and say them want be maybe the one way walk with Speed downtown Kingston and show him downtown Kingston. I mean maybe know this from the first time when Speed say I'm gonna do a Caribbean tour. Yeah. But yesterday was too hectic for me if you walk with him and show him things. So I just ease off because you don't know me still already. Yes, so I don't want nobody I say, yo, Ray, like we just get up and me and Supreme just get up and go there. So no. We not just get up and go there. So we was requested from Speed team. Yes, so that little Rasta youth there. We are running off him mode, say you're Ray. No, do that, my boy.
Yeah, hear what the G say? From the Caribbean tour start, them link him. You see how much time he would have for research if him never know who IShowSpeed was? Yaksta and the whole of them get contact 1 month ago. Well, me remember how long ago the tour start. Even me, when the tour just start, and then put out the little skit say, IShowSpeed I got there in the Caribbean, me do have like the same day. So me never need bad sikki to tell me, say yo, them link him. Me know so them link him. Me said that 2 weeks ago. Me said before bad sikki said, I the only vlog of this on YouTube where could I tell you word for word where bad sikki just tell you. Before bad sikki tell you. Me even know before bad sikki tell you. Before even bad sikki know. Me know say I saw it work. Them have to contact you. Them not just show up so. As me say in previous vlog, the only thing we random are the people we run back at them and I say speed. I say everywhere where them go, every interaction with them have, it done plan out as a tour. It done plan out on the Rasta. Everybody there in the itinerary. Popcorn them know a long time. That's why I could have put out a vlog and say Popcorn I got there. Me know all of them something that just by pre in the streets, bro. So me I go play the vlog them when me say one of them are 2 weeks ago and one of them are couple days ago. For sure no say yo, and I cap me there cap, bro. Me know what me I talk say at daytime. Everything when you hear me say at daytime, me know what me I say. It always I go play out. Yaksta and the whole of them know. And if them don't know it, they on main danger every day. I'm sure so them they on main danger and quest time page. So they must see it, bro. They must know how speed act. Yeah, me agree. So you have some people when I know about them man I get contact that different. The man have over a month for research. That different from a man in the comment section where I said them never know. Uno never get contact, so how uno fi know? Say him want meet IShowSpeed. Him are the first man I go meet IShowSpeed and in camp out at the airport. But something where Popcorn said to him, Popcorn enter the chat. So Popcorn go in at him comment section and say, yo, at the wrong part of the airport today, him now go past this, so. You see me, I jet him a forward pan, so. Him are there over the private part. Don't be surprised, you hear it here first. Don't be surprised if part of speed tour, him a ride pan some 4-wheel bike with Popcorn in a St. Thomas and them a dilly-dally in the streets and police escort and you see me, carry him go drink some jelly and unruly river and them something. You see me? Don't be surprised. Hear it here first. You see me? Remember, say, we pre the streets, analyze the streets. You see me? Yes, so not no surprise when it happen, because we done meds it. Yo, enough time when we see some things happen, we not surprised, no, because we done meds it. All when me no vlog about it, me done meds it long time, so things hardly surprise me and people are whoa. Yeah man, we done see them something them man. So nothing no wow way. You see me? Yo, when you hear them big talk that when I make 8 days ago, like me 100% sure say Popcorn did I go meet Speed and them I go ride up and down with bike. Remember, you know, me telling you say a Popcorn did for ride up and down with the bike, you know, and Valiant. That's why you see Popcorn I move the way and I burn off Speed. Because Babsy Grange switch it around and make Valiant ride the bike and early part of the tour. A Valiant I did for Popcorn, bro. Oh, me end up predict 3-wheel bike, but 3-wheel bike did that, but no Popcorn. Oh, me end up predict everything 100%. Remember me even predict say Popcorn I go introduce Lindsay to Speed. Even that me predict, you know, who did I go ride the 3-wheel bike part wrong. Because the bike get switched up last minute and that's why Popcorn vex. But me have another prediction where wicked on this. Me even telling us that Devon knows the man I go. Yo, me write out the whole tour. Step by step, you know, people just remember, you know. Me telling us that the first place the dog I go. A KFC. And me even mention Devon knows. Listen this. Yeah, but all of this, the tourist board and everything, then clean up the country and make sure say Jamaica. The world I go watch Jamaica when Speed are forward. So them I carry him go to some location. I don't know. Him I go there Jamaica for more than 1 day. All of them places him there for more than 1 day, you know. So probably part of it. So probably 1 day him there at Kingston. Then carry him go to Devon House and you see me? Yeah. Them are going to highlight some of Jamaica attraction. So when the world see it and you see me, it drive more tourists in the country. That's a part of where Speed do. And that him intent for doing about when him for your country, them use the opportunity. And then probably the next day, them can go and Moby and then Ochi and you see me? Yeah, but you see the people them will run back him and the audience, them they are real and authentic people and once a Speed go there and either them want to vlog about it, have them own a vlog, video him and upload it, them will get views for that. You see me? Yeah, and them just genuinely know say it's a youth where the whole world love, the whole football part of it and something. You see me? So Jamaica is not gonna be any different from the rest of the world. Them are gonna run back him same way. You see me?
They feel good in here. Hey.
Yeah, so I'm not gonna play everything when I say because I have a next one where I tell us say as him land, the first place I go at KFC, but it don't make no sense me dig up back every single thing. That alone can prove to you say yo, when me attack, me vlog them at daytime, you don't have to pay attention. Don't just think say attack me they attack. Just look feed play out. You see me, but the whole yaksta thing yeah, me did have to dig it up because people I say yaksta them no know. Yaksta them have a whole entire month for research who is IShowSpeed. Them know bro. Yo, I just some hypocrite fire yaksta bun. And the reason why I burn out yaksta is because I'm linked with footer hype. I not burn him out for no other reason. You link with the biggest hypocrite, bro. That alone show me say you're a hypocrite. So if me even the things that the fire where you burn real, you see the link where you link up with footer hype, bro. You gonna tell me say you don't know say footer hype burn hypocrite fire. So you two wanna know giant force and I burn hypocrite fire. But people, remember me telling you say you're quick and fast, you see me? Yes, alright, so I cut it. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. Yo, if you're new to the channel, bro, and like me chop up my vlogs them and deal with my thing different, subscribe, you see me? Like the video. If you can afford it, drop a super thanks in the comment section. You see the video up on the screen? That is a video I do this morning, earlier. It's still fresh, it's still hot. YouTube not really push it. I don't know when YouTube are going to push my video and when them not going to do it. So, you can go watch that. Because this are the update for the video where up on the screen right now. So you can't watch the update and not watch the original. But yeah man, I'm DJ Dreadbeard signing out.
DJ Dreadbeard. Subscribe now.
Insight, informative entertainment vlog.